1. A day without laughter is a day wasted. 2. We want him to be just like us, but if he's too much like us, there's no hero in that. 3. I'm sorry, but I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. 4. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. 5. To truly laugh, you must be able to take your pain and play with it. 6. In the end, everything is a gag. 7. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. 8. You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. 9. The mirror is my best friend because when I cry, it never laughs. 10. I'm an individualist. I don't want to be labeled. It's too confining. 11. Failure is unimportant. It takes courage to make a fool of yourself. 12. To help a friend in need is easy, but to give him your time is not always opportune. 13. Words are cheap. The biggest thing you can say is elephant. 14. Life is a beautiful, magnificent thing, even to a jellyfish. 15. I went into the business for the money. And 16. I'm an amateur. I've never done anything for money. 17. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. 18. To truly laugh, you must be able to take your pain and play with it. 19. I believe in the power of laughter and tears as an antidote to hatred and terror. 20. The saddest thing I can imagine is to get used to